Welcome. Today, we will show you how to permanently delete your Wise account in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wise account. Navigate to the Settings menu on the top right corner for Account Management. Scroll down and find the Close Your Account option. Click on it to proceed. Wise will ask for your reason for deleting your account. Choose an option and continue. You will receive a confirmation prompt. Ensure you've backed up your necessary information before proceeding. Finally, confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button. Your Wise account will be removed permanently. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Wise account. But remember, this action is irreversible. If you encounter any problems, visit the Wise support page for assistance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Ensure your digital life is secure. Stay informed and safe online. See you in the next video for more tips on managing your accounts.